Are you feeling just overwhelmed by all the clothes in your closet? You look in it and you're just like, I have nothing to wear, but you have too many clothes, so it's overwhelming. You have too many options and you want to declutter, but you don't know even where to start. Today, I'm walking you through how to do a proper closet clean out so you can refresh your style, declutter, and make getting dressed easier every single day. The benefits of a really deep closet clean out that's well thought out and thorough can cause less stress when getting dressed in the morning or picking out your outfit, more outfit clarity, and space for new pieces that actually match your style. But first, let's do a mindset check-in. Let's set some clear intentions. Why do you want to do a closet clean out? Are you trying to simplify your wardrobe, find your style, or make room for new things? And remind yourself, you don't need to keep something if it was gifted or expensive. And a pro tip is take a before photo of your closet for motivation. First things first, empty everything out. Pull out all of your clothes, all of your shoes, and all of your accessories too. Lay it all out so you can see the full picture of what you have. Then clean the space while it's empty. Wipe down shelves, vacuum, refresh your space. You can even add scent blocks to make your closets and drawers smell amazing. Step 3, you're going to try on and sort. So I have actually kind of done a little mini declutter about 2 weeks ago, and so I've cleaned out everything. Everything is clean in my drawers. I have a good clean space to work with. I put away all of my winter clothes. So now I'm going to declutter my summery spring clothes that no longer fit my style, that colors that just don't look great on me. Actually, black is really a bad color to wear, but I am a dramatic, classic body type. Based on the Kibbe body types, that is what I discovered about myself, and I actually look really great in tailored, kind of sleek lines, and so blazers are actually something that looks great on my body type, and so I probably should invest more in that, but the only blazer I own is black, so that's why I was wearing it today. But it fits well on my body type. So if you do your own research beforehand, you can literally ask ChatGPT, ask me a quiz about what Kibbe body type that I have, and it will give you a thorough quiz. You're just going to answer all the questions, and it'll give you probably 3 body types to choose from, and it'll tell you what you fit in best. That's what I did, and I've learned so much about what looks good on me, and it'll tell you exactly what pieces look the best on your body type. But then you can put your style essence, what you enjoy, mixed in that together, and even your face has a different essence than the rest of your body too. So you can figure out what essence your face is, your body type, what you like, your style essence. There's so many quizzes about that you can do, even ask ChatGPT, but for now you're just going to go with what feels comfortable, what looks the best on you, what you love, and get rid of the rest. So step 3 is try on and sort. You're going to make 4 piles: the keep pile, the tailor/fix pile, the donate pile, and the seasonal/store pile. When you're trying things on, ask, does it fit comfortably? Do I feel good in it? Have I worn this in the last year? And does it align with my current style and lifestyle? Be honest with yourself, because we keep a lot of clothes that we have for our fantasy self, the person that we really wish we were, but we don't have that lifestyle. We don't live on a yacht. We don't live near the beach or the mountains. We're kind of in this dreamy, someday I'll be able to wear this for this specific occasion. Get rid of all of that for your fantasy self, because it would truly make you feel less bitter towards yourself and like, why am I not there yet? Also to help declutter your mind and your closet. After you've created those 4 piles, then you're going to organize what you're keeping. Sort by category: pants, tops, dresses, etc. Then you're going to color code and arrange by season. And if you want to make it look really nice and clean, then invest in like the same kind of hanger style, the felt ones, or like a certain color like the tan ones, or some storage bins that are all very sleek and minimal to create a really nice clean look. And then display your favorites front and center. The things that you reach for every single day, every single week, keep those front and center, and store your seasonal items or the fancy dresses or the dresses that you wear for weddings, that type of thing. Store them away and only pull them out when you need them. Then you're going to reflect and take notes. Kind of while you're doing the try-on process, take mental notes or even write them down, which is even better, and ask yourself what pieces you are loving and why you love them. Do you like the fit of a certain piece? Do you like the color of a certain piece? Do you like the feel of a certain piece? What styles and colors show up most in your closet? And what's missing in your wardrobe? What are some of the gaps that you're like, oh, I definitely do need this to like fill this gap in my wardrobe to make my style more cohesive? And then write a little list of things that you are going to intentionally shop for, not impulsively. Then as a little bonus, maintain the system. Do a mini closet clear out, maybe when you're changing seasons, going from winter, fall to spring, summer, or vice versa. Kind of do it while you're changing out your wardrobe. Do this kind of same routine. It can be a lot lighter than pulling out all of your clothes and stuff like that. Use the 1 in, 1 out rule when building your wardrobe. If you get rid of something, then you can get something. But this doesn't always have to be the case. But don't be just getting a bunch of things and only getting rid of a few things. Make sure that it's pretty even. But honestly, the smaller your wardrobe is, the easier it is to create outfits because you're less overwhelmed with everything that you have. Stay tuned for future videos on wardrobe curation, styling tips, or capsule wardrobe building. Now for your reminder, the steps are: number 1, mindset. Why are you doing this? Are you trying to find your style or trying to get rid of things to create more space? What is your why? Number 2, empty everything out, have it all laid out so you can see everything, and then you'll go through it, which is step 3. Try on and sort everything. Put it into piles of donate, keep, tailor, alter, and seasonal/store. Step 4, organize what you're going to keep into those different categories based on color or season if that's what you like. Keep it nice and clean and tidy, and make sure you have everything that you absolutely love and reach for on the daily, weekly basis right in front of you. Don't forget to reflect and take notes on what you love, what structures, fabrics, colors look good on you. And if you want to learn about your body type and what looks good on your specific body type, then ask ChatGPT to give you a Kibbe body type quiz, and it'll literally tell you exactly what shapes, what fabrics, what drapes look good on you, and it's so helpful when you're building those capsule wardrobe pieces that you know you're going to look good in and you can keep forever. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment your closet goals and subscribe for more style content. Have a blessed day.